Sonible's Pure Bundle is a suite of AI-powered plugins that enable you to focus on creative decisions. I can very quickly mix my demos, and these plugins can also help me to create a polished sound on the go. Like for example, when I'm in a studio with an artist. First, I start with the drums. They sound a bit too dynamic and thin for a rock song, and therefore I place Pure Comp on the track and select the drum profile. After learning, I increase the compression so that the dynamics are reduced even more and the drums sound full and big. Additionally, I set the style parameter to dirty to make them sound more aggressive and richer. And after processing, the drums have more power and they push through the mix. The drums also need more clarity in the upper frequency range. I'll load Pure EQ and select the drums profile. Then I choose Bright as style to emphasize the high frequencies a bit more. I don't want any processing on the lower frequencies, so I'll exclude them with the range parameter. Now, the drums sound crisper and are more present. Next, I want to work on the guitar and in the intro of the track, which sounds a bit too bland and choppy. So I use Pure Verb and increase the size of the computed reverb space to get a full sound. Then I activate the infinite function, which makes the guitar sound very atmospheric and closes the gaps between the guitar parts. Of course, I don't want this big reverb to run through the entire song, so I automate the mix so that the effect fades out at the very start of the first verse. As a last step, I use Pure Limit to balance the dynamics and give the song the right level for publishing. I also increase the inflate parameter to make the mix more dense and vibrant. Now, the track is ready for release. So let's see how our song has changed.